Hello dear students, I hope you all are studying well at your home and you are preparing for your annual exams. In your annual exams, all of you know that you will have term 1, chapter 1 and 5 in that, and term 2 all chapters are there. We already completed term 1 chapter 1 and 5 and we started our term 2 syllabus. In that term 2 syllabus we have chapter 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So today I am going to start chapter 7, that is chapter name is Walking on the Moon. Okay, Walking on the Moon. This chapter tells you about moon. This chapter related to who first stepped on the moon. Who first stepped on the moon? Neil Armstrong took a first step on the moon. Means वर्ल्ड में फर्स्ट टाइम नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग मून में गए थे, ऐसा है. ओके, नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट अवर रीडिंग हियर. नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग वॉज बोर्न ऑन 5th August in Ohio, USA. He was the oldest of 3 children. He loved flying and aeroplanes just like his father. When Neil was a little boy, he dreamt of flying like a bird. His father took him to see air races when he was a little, and that is for first time when Neil realized flying was all he wanted to do. When he saw he was 6, he rode on a plane, was noisy for the first time with his father. It was small plane. Wait children. It was a small plane for only 12 people and the ride was noisy and rough, but Neil loved it. Later he collected magazines on flying and made model aeroplane. When he was 11, Neil wanted to take flying lessons, which cost $9 per hour. His parents gave him permission, but he had to earn the money himself, and so he did. By working hard, when he turned 16, he got his pilot's license. 3 years somehow later, Neil became pilot in the Navy. Later he joined the Air Force. As a test pilot, he flew some of fastest planes in the world. He was chosen to be trained as an astronaut in July 1969. He became the leader of the crew of Apollo 11, the spaceship of the moon to the moon on 21st July. Neil's lifelong dream came true as he became the first man to walk on the moon. From the moon, he could see our Earth hanging in the sky, looking very small. He called his first step on the moon giant leap for mankind. It is a summary of this chapter. It's about Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was a young boy. He dreamt about, उसका सपना था फ्लाइंग का, लाइक अ बर्ड के जैसे फ्लाई करना था उसको. So he started flying when he was a 6-year-old. उनके पापा भी पायलट थे, तो उनको देख के ये भी पायलट या फ्लाइंग लेना चाहता था. बट वो जब 16 ईयर का था तब उसे पायलट का ट्रेनिंग लेना था. उस ट्रेनिंग के लिए उसको फीस देना पड़ता था. दैट टाइम उनके पेरेंट्स बोले, आप जो भी जाओ खुद से कमाओ और खुद फीस भरो. ओके, नाउ कम टू दी Walking on the Moon. It's why we are reading this chapter. To read about Neil Armstrong, the first person to walk on the moon, hard work to achieve one's goal, to get motivated by the great personality. हम ये चैप्टर क्यों रीड, आउटकम्स ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज टू रीड अबाउट नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग। नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग कौन थे? द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू वॉक ऑन द मून। उनके बारे में समझने के लिए हम ये चैप्टर रीड कर रहे हैं। देन दिस चैप्टर टीच अस टू हार्ड वर्क टू अचीव वंस गोल। आप अपने गोल रखते हो तो आपको अपने ड्रीम को कम ट्रू करने के लिए आपको हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है। टू गेट मोटिवेटेड बाय द ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी। हमें से अब्दुल कलाम, महात्मा गांधी, इन्फोसिस के फाउंडर सुधा मूर्ति, ऐसे लोगों से हम इंस्पायर होके हमारा गोल अचीव करने का ड्रीम देखना चाहिए। हम हमेशा जो सक्सेस हुए हैं उनका भी स्टोरी हमें मोटिवेट करते हैं। सो वी आर गोइंग टू रीड द नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग्स स्टोरी हियर। आंसर इन ब्रीफ। What dream did Neil Armstrong have? Neil Armstrong's dream was to fly like a bird. What did he see from the sky in his dream? He saw blue rivers and green fields, huge mountains from the sky. Okay, now second. Did his dream come true? Yes, his dream come true. I sent you picture of this all answers. You have to copy from there. What did he become when grew older? He became a pilot. What was the name of the spaceship? Apollo 11 was the spaceship name. Where were they going? They were going on the moon. What did he do before joining the Air Force? Before joining the Air Force, he joined the Navy. Did they reach successfully? Yes, they reached successfully. Phillips. I said you already, whenever you are reading chapters, you have to read whole chapters, not only question answer. आप जब भी चैप्टर पढ़ते हो तो आपको पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ना चाहिए, वो पीछे वाले एक्सरसाइजेस और कॉम्प्रिहेंशन ही नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए। ओके, whenever you are start reading, you have to read whole chapter. Then only you will get a fill-ups, MCQs and true and false from that chapter. Okay, Neil, a little boy called Neil. Second one, Neil Armstrong was born on 5th August 1930 in Ohio. Neil loved flying. Neil also made many model aeroplanes. Neil's 16th birthday got his pilot's license. Dash became the first person to walk on the moon. Walk on the moon. In July, Dash Neil was chosen to lead the crew. Neil chosen from the leader of the Apollo 11. Name of spaceship was Apollo 11. Neil worked hard and made earn money. Okay, this is your. Now come to the scene passages. Scene passage 1 is here. Very easy passage is here. A little boy called Neil had a lovely dream. In his dream, he flew like a bird. He saw blue rivers and green fields, huge mountains and narrow valleys. The trees, the houses, the people and the cars all looked very small from the sky. Okay, this is the passage from your textbook. You have to answer from here only. For questions, answer the following questions. What did Neil dream about? A little boy called Neil had a lovely dream. In his dream, he flew like a bird. What did he see from the sky? He saw blue rivers and green fields, huge mountains and narrow valleys. The trees, the houses, the people and the cars all looked very small from the sky. Okay? Write plurals. Mountains, trees, cars, and past tense of these. Write past tense of these. Write past tense of these. Fly, flew, look, looked, call, called, called. You have to write like this. Fly ka flew, look ka looked, call ka called. Write plurals means you have to find some plurals. Rivers and cars, trees. Okay? These are plurals in your scene passage only. You have to complete that passage from your scene passage only. So whatever work I am going to give you, you have to complete yourself, and I am sending you one picture of this all question answers. Means this first page question answers, answer in brief and fill-ups. You have to copy from that only, and remaining work you have to do from yourself. When he was 11, Neil asked his parents if he could take a flying lessons for $9 an hour. His parents said yes, but he would have to work and earn the money himself. All Neil wanted to do was to learn to fly. He worked hard and made the money he needed. On his 16th birthday, he got his pilot's lesson. Okay, this work also you have to complete yourself. Otherwise, I am going to send you a PDF of this also. Okay, bye bye. Take care, students.